Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you remove wrinkles permanently overnight with very simple ingredients. We can prepare a very effective remedy and your skin will look 10 years younger at least. It removes wrinkles and fine lines from face and hands. It is super effective remedy and you must really try it. So the first thing we'll need, my friends, is flax seeds, and we need actually 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of flax seeds. And then, my friends, we'll need rose water. And soak it in for at least 3 hours or 5 hours. I'm going to leave it for 5 hours. And once you leave it for 5 hours, guys, as you can tell, you'll find the flax seeds made the gel actually, and look at the consistency. Now we'll need a pan and transfer it into a pan. Then, my friends, will need to add half cup or 50 ml of water, and it needs to be well filtered water, and mix very well. Now place it on the stove until all the water turns to a gel. So try to strain it while it's hot, because it's very easily to separate the gel from the seeds.
Now my friends, the gel is ready. Not sure you can see it. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.